Benvenuti a Italia! Welcome to Italy, a country that is renowned for its rich history, delicious food, and breathtaking scenery. From the romantic canals of Venice to the ancient ruins of Rome, from the stunning coastline of the Amalfi Coast to the majestic beauty of Tuscany, Italy has something for every traveler. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through to 10 most beautiful places in Italy. Number 10. Sicily. The biggest island in the Mediterranean Sea is an autonomous region of Italy, comprising several smaller isles. It is separated from the mainland Calabria region by the Strait of Messina, spanning 2 miles. Sicily has been home to some of the greatest civilizations in the Mediterranean, which has contributed to its rich art and history. The island boasts several significant landmarks, including the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento and Baroque Church in Palermo. A remarkable geological feature on the island is Mount Etna, Europe's tallest active volcano. Number 9. Sardinia. Sardinia is an island that is located off the western coast of Italy. It boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, such as the pink sand of Spiaggi Rosa. Visitors can also explore charming towns like Alghero and indulge in the local cuisine. Number 8. Lake Como. Lake Como is a picturesque lake that is surrounded by charming towns and magnificent villas. Visitors can take a boat ride along the lake, explore the beautiful garden of Villa del Belbianello, and indulge in the local cuisine at one of the many restaurants. Number 7. Pompeii. A famous Roman city that attracts countless tourists each year, was once buried under a layer of volcanic ash for nearly 1,700 years after the devastating eruption of Mount Vesuvius. Although excavation of the site began in 1748, the city had yet to be fully uncovered. Situated close to the modern-day Naples, Pompeii offers visitors a captivating glimpse into the daily life of ancient Romans. Strolling through the ancient streets, one can marvel at the remains of bakers, brothels, and baths, gaining a deep understanding of this long-lost world. Number 6. Tuscany. Italy's most renowned region, a composition of rolling hills, sprawling olive groves, lush vineyards, and majestic cypress trees. The region offers a myriad of delights, from sampling exquisite Chianti wine to unwinding in idyllic hill towns like San Gimignano. Renaissance art aficionados can revel in the stunning masterpiece found in Florence, while Siena boasts a plethora of impressive artwork and captivating medieval court that draws tourists from far and wide. Elba, the largest among Tuscany's several islands, is a haven for beach lovers, and Pisa is world famous for its iconic leaning tower. Number 5. Cinque Terre, which translates to five lands, is comprised of five charming villages: Riomaggiore, Manora, Vernazza, Monteresso, and Cornelia. Nestled Italy's northwestern coastal region of Liguria, these villages are renowned for their breathtaking natural beauty, including towering cliffs and terrace vineyards that have been cultivated for centuries. Visitors can hike along the picturesque trails that connect the villages, take a dip in the crystal clear waters, and indulge in the local seafood cuisine. Number 4. Amalfi Coast, located in the Campania region of Italy, is a top tourist destination renowned for its stunning natural beauty. Spanning 30 miles along the Sorrento Peninsula's southern side, the coast boasts an exquisite shoreline with glycine bays, rocky cliffs, lemon groves, colorful villas, and lavish resorts. Positano, with its pastel houses, pebble beaches, and mountain views, is a particularly romantic and upscale town. Amalfi offers charming places and restaurants, while Ravello is known for its beautiful villas and artistic treasures. Number 3. Venice, a captivating city in northeastern Italy, stands on a lagoon surrounded by the Adriatic Sea. This unique city is an archipelago of 118 interconnected islands via beautiful bridges and canals, with the famous Grand Canal dividing into two parts. Its historical architecture and charming waterways have made Venice one of the most romantic cities globally, although it can be crowded at times. The city is home to magnificent landmarks such as St. Mark's Square and Basilica, Doge's Palace, and Rialto Bridge, and taking a gondola ride along its many canals is a popular activity among visitors. Number 2. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. This city is filled with art, architecture, and cultural landmarks such as the famous Uffizi Gallery and the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore with its iconic dome. The city also offers visitors a chance to stroll through its charming cobblestone street and indulge in some of the best gelato in the world. Number 1. Rome, the current capital city of Italy, was one of the capital of the Roman Empire. It is located in Lazio, central Italy, and is a mix of modernity and antiquity. The city has been a cultural, religious, and political hub for over 2,500 years and is renowned for its historical structures such as the Vatican City and ancient Rome sites. Rome boasts of stunning plazas, cathedrals, and Renaissance architecture that would take months or even years to explore fully.